Morning children. Yesterday I taught half lesson only, but today I am going to continue the same lesson. For the lesson, Master with a mystery about the Satyam. About the Satyam. First his name was the Satyam. After that he became Dr. Satyam. Okay, I'll continue this lesson. With encouragement from his cousin Vempati Pedda Satyam. Vempati Chinna Satyam came out. When his teacher shouted and not to do dance again, before the students, before the friends, he felt ashamed at the time. The father also died. But here, his cousin, maybe uncle's son, became the cousin. His cousin encouraged. His name was Vempati Pedda Satyam. Vempati Chinna Satyam tried his luck in Telugu film world. Can the Telugu film lovers forget the dance sequences in Nattanasala, Devadasu and Pandava Vanamahotsavam? So here some people may be forgotten the Kuchipudi dance where they are doing in the Nattanasala, Devadasa in the cinema, in the pictures. So here he wants to encourage, even now the film admires become most like when they recollect those sequences. Thus, Dr. Vempati has carved a reach in Telugu film as well as a dance director. Maybe they were dancing in Nattakasala, Devadasu and then Pandava Vanamahotsavam. Maybe they forgotten their roles, how they danced. But now the Satyam wanted to bring it again. It wanted to get the good reputation to the Kuchipudi dance. Dr. Vempati was not satisfied with his success in the tinsel world. Tinsel means film world. His desire to popularize, but he fulfilled in the picture, but he was not satisfied. He wanted to popularize, he wanted to get the good name, he wanted to give the recognition about the Kuchipudi. He wants to fulfill that work. So, popularize Kuchipudi, grew stronger. He established Kuchipudi Art Academy. What he wanted to do? He was going to start a Kuchipudi academic institution to popularize the Kuchipudi. He wants to give the just like a tuition master. So he wanted to give the Kuchipudi Art Academy for his purpose. In 1963 in Madras, as many as 180 solo items and 15 dance drama were composed and coronized by Dr. Vempati. He done 180 solo items. He himself done 180 dances and 15 dance dramas to encourage, to popularize the Kuchipudi. That is his will. That is his desire. So though he was getting the success, he was not satisfied in the picture. He wanted to keep one institution, that is the academy, the Kuchipudi Academy. He wanted to give more solo and dramas to encourage the Kuchipudi. Then those have been performed all over the world. He composed his first dance drama, Sri Krishna Parijatam. First drama was done by the Vempati Chinna Satyam, Parijatam, Krishna Parijatam, followed by Shira Sagara Madhumam. Shira Sagara Madhumam. Both were received well by the audience all around the world and brought laurels to Vempati. Laurels means all flourished, all felt happy when Vempati Satyam was giving the encouragement to the Kuchipudi. All so slowly the Kuchipudi dance going to be recognized by all the people. Then some of the masterpieces like Padmavati Srinivasa Kalyanam, composed by Dr. Vempati, are the symbols of depth of his knowledge. Depth means he went in deep. What was the Kuchipudi, what are the steps of the Kuchipudi? He studied very well. That is the depth. He went in deep to know the Kuchipudi. Then depth of his knowledge and mastery over Kuchipudi. He became the master of the Kuchipudi. When you want to know the Kuchipudi, first we have to understand the Vempati Chinna Satyam. So he went in deep to know about the Kuchipudi. Now it was coming to the from the depth of the from the lower of the where it was hidden, it was coming up. He had to ability to communicate each meaning of the dance to coinces and lap persons equally well. So it was giving the equal opportunity, equal encouragement. So where the dancers or other dancers are encouraging like that, as well as both Kuchipudi and other dancers also equally showing the concentration. Dr. Vempati's distinguished disciples include Shanta Rao. These are the followers of the Vempati Chinna Satyam. Shanta Rao and Yamini Krishnamurthy, then Vijaya Rani, Hema Malini, Manjula Bhargavi, Shobha Naidu, Balakonda Rao, and Daggubati. This is everyone, the following of the Vempati Chinna Satyam. Why? Because his soul was the good. His spirit was the good. So all the people also following the Vempati Chinna Satyam. For all that he has done to the development of emergence of Kuchipudi to a full-fledged dance, full-fledged. He was not keeping his mind in other side. He was keeping full-fledged. That means he wants to know depth of the Kuchipudi. He was fully concentrated to know about the Kuchipudi. That is a full-fledged dance form. Dr. Vempati was rightly conferred the much coveted Padma Bhushan title by the government of India. He got the Padma Bhushan title. See how he came out. What was the desire of the Vempati? When the teacher shouted, but he didn't feel anything. But he got the good success. He got the award also. The government of India, Andhra University awarded him as a honorary decorate in 1980. These are the awards of the Vempati Chinna Satyam. Sri Venkateshwara University, Tirupati honored him with an honorary degree D literature in 1983. Dr. Satyam was presented with the golden key by the mayor of Miami, USA, Stephen P. Clark in the year 1981. He was chosen for the Sangeet Natak Academy Fellowship and the Rajalakshmi Foundation Madras presented the Rajalakshmi Award. These are only a few to mention. Only few here they mentioned. More awards also he got. There are so many feathers in his cap. Feathers means eekalu. So feathers means not eekalu. He got so many awards. Why? Because his heart was good. His heart was pure. What he desired, his desire is fulfilled. These are feathers. In the year 1976, the TDB made Satyam the Astama Nataraja, they given the title also. Then all the Telugu speakers identify themselves with Kuchipudi. The rest of the world looks at the Kuchipudi and Dr. Vempati's stupendous work with reverent eyes. Kuchipudi has established itself on a par with other classical dance forms of India like Bharatanatyam, Kathak and Kathakali. Countless people work for Kuchipudi. Countless people. First time it was hidden. But now when Satyam got the encouragement, know the knowledge of the Kuchipudi, to popularize the Kuchipudi, now more countless people. We are unable to count who are working for the Kuchipudi. Countless people work for Kuchipudi, but Dr. Vempati remains the source of inspiration. He inspired inspiration to such people, and he remains at the center stage of Kuchipudi's stage as a classical dance form in modern India. Hence he can rightly he called maestro with a mission. So like that he got very good desire. His desire was fulfilled. He got a Dr. Vempati Chinna Satyam. So whenever our hearts are also pure, when you want to work, whatever work you interested or whatever you work you wanted to do, you have to fulfill with the pure heart, not for anyone. You have to fulfill your work. But how he fulfilled his work? He didn't do for anyone. He himself decided to come up, to take out, to get the good reputation, to popularize the Kuchipudi. So he worked hard. He faced so many difficulties to get the popularize the Kuchipudi. So he was the master of the mass show with the mission. His mission, his vision is to encourage, to popularize the Kuchipudi dance. Where it was hidden. Okay, ma? Have you understood about the mass show with the mission, Vempaty Chinna Satyam? So who are the masters, who are the gurus, who discourage the Satyam? What are the difficulties? Okay, though all the family problems there, but he didn't go back. No, he came forward to fulfill his work. Okay, have you understood now? Is it clear? Bye.